Welcome to Ultimate Driving TV. In this video, we shall be dealing with approaching junctions to turn right. That is from a major road to a minor road. In approaching junction to turn right, use the MSPSL or hazard routine as follows: mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. After identifying the road you want to turn into ahead, you check your rear view mirror and your right door mirror in that order. After checking your mirrors and you have ascertained that it is safe to turn, give a right indicator signal. After signaling, you maintain your safe driving line or normal driving position, which is about 1 meter from the kerb or from the edge of the road. Once you are in the appropriate driving position, you will need to adjust your speed so that you can turn safely. You start by slowing the car down to a speed that will allow you to safely negotiate the turn. Finally, make sure it is safe to turn by checking into the new road to assess how clear the road is before you start turning. Your point of turn is when the straight line finishes and the curve begins. After you have turned into the road, make sure that your signal is cancelled and check your mirrors again to check the new situation behind you before increasing your speed and making progress. Before increasing your speed in the new road, you need to ensure that no one is trying to overtake you, so there is no competition on the road. So this is the procedure for turning from a major road into a minor road. Hope you like our video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Also like and share this video to help others find us on YouTube. Please feel free to leave any comments about our videos. For business inquiries, please email us at sdserue@hotmail.com or call us on +234 8070 555 444.